Hey, it's Brian Garmadella from MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to look at the Sea Ray 250 SDX. This boat is powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury Outboard. Gets you going around 40 miles an hour. Plenty fast to get you where you're going. So let's focus in on the stern area first. You've got aft facing seating here. So when you're floating around anchored up or moored up, friends and family, cup holders, cell phone chargers, 12-volt accessory port here. Nice spot for the fuel fill, right on your starboard side. You got a freshwater shower wand here, that's nice. And a cool feature I like is you can really maximize your space. So by sliding this back, now you got a huge area back here to play around, kids jumping in and off the boat. And then put your ice and your drinks under here. Really cool. So now as you enter the boat, first thing you want to do is you're going to turn your battery switch on. So this is located in a really nice spot. Getting on the boat, hit the switch. Getting off the boat, hit the switch. You got a little safety door here for small children or dogs, cats, if that's what you have. You've got fusion radio control back here and at the helm, which is nice. So you don't always have to be forward. You could be interacting with all your guests here. Drink holders, as you can see, underneath, out of the sun, shaded, and they're very sturdy. You've got a deep and a nice ring here, so you could fit a large cup here. Even like a tall Yeti cup would fit in there pretty nice. You've got a bracket here for your cockpit table. Ample storage under all of your seats, going all the way around the perimeter of the cockpit. This boat is your stone colored interior here, and you have the snap-in vinyl. So nice in both your helm and passenger seats. The backrest can face forward or aft. So when you're changing the use of the boat, you can do either or. You got nice big bolsters here. So anyone of almost any height, you're looking over the bar here. This bar is not going to impede your vision as you're driving at all. 2 cup holders, again, your primary fusion radio control here. All of your important controls are on these nice toggle switches. So when you are bouncing around, driving fast, you're not going to have to skip your finger on the touch screen, which is really nice. You got a big Simrad screen here too. So that's going to be really nice when you're driving around. Big graphics. Your Mercury throttle control here. Very easy. Let's take a look down in the cabin in our head here. It's coming down into our head. Got a porta potty. And then got a fold down filler cushion. So when the kids just want to get out of the sun and hang out and do their thing, they've got a nice spot to do that. Let's make our way up to the bow area. This window locks in place nicely, so when you're driving along, it's not going to bounce around. It's got a bow block-up door here to block the wind, which is always good. So coming up to the bow here, what Sea Ray does well, speakers are recessed. Again, drink holders down low, in the shade. Nice back support here. Grab rails, storage, and courtesy lights all below. Forward here, you've got a bow boarding ladder. So this is nice, you're anchored up, in and out of the water on both sides of the boat. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.